Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can never upload high quality images on X. So let's get started. Firstly, open X app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on accessibility display and languages. After that, tap on data uses. Next, you can see the option of high quality image uploads. Tap on it. After that, you can see the option of never. Select on it. So this is how you can never upload high quality images on X. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.